So yo people, Daytona Beach, you know, and look who me buck up on. The great Robert Officer. You see it?
Yeah, you understand, people. Yeah, we do it for the love, you know.
Not for
You
the likes.
understand?
Yeah man.
Yeah, so Chef Jabba in the place, him say I come cook for the day, you know.
Yeah,
Jamaican style ackee and saltfish, you know, with some fried dumpling. You understand? So, as me say, my brother from another mother. You understand? So yeah, I can do it for the love, you know, and for the likes, you understand? Subscribe, Chef Jabba.
Oh yeah man, I mean,
You
subscribe,
understand, you know,
comment,
yeah.
like, share everything. You don't know the things that already, you know man. So, we're gonna do it now, yes sir. Ackee and Saltfish?
Yeah, yard style. That's the
Straight.
thing there.
Alright, mad thing.
Yeah, no brother.
Go check out this room, man. So, everything ready up here so now. Pepper, onion, now what is scallion and tomato. I cut up the onion real quick. And you get that done like that from Belgium.
That's why you walk with your own knife, don't you? You say you come run pot, you know, you come a man here, come run pot, you can't complain about the tools you get.
You still have money to save me though.
Rent a Chef Jabba.
Oh boy. Put in time, all I know. Get one of them things stir pot with.
And a Jamaican man, they use what you have, you know.
What is name? Is that Jamaican?
That name, Cherry. I'm joking, you know, people, you know, that pepper, you know.
I feel like that now with some seasoning. You know, if you have to ackee and saltfish, you have to have it. What is name?
You know, the original piece of saltfish, you know.
Mad.
So people know, so we're in the place. Chef up some ackee and saltfish in the early morning, you know, Jamaican style. Cooking, you know. With some fried dumpling and our thing that, you know, because we're not really pretty it up. Right? But we have to make sure the thing look good. You know, it's a cornmeal and flour that mix up, you know. Chef Jabba style. You know, we call it, I rent him for the day, you know. You understand? So you know, so you not get Lego. No work for him in the afternoon. Because I have to come cook up some habanero spicy fish chicken in the day, you know. I have to come cook in the day, you know. All the way from Orlando. Yeah, you know, so I'm based in New York and all over. Right now, if you want in the UK, you just say, yo, Jabba, where you depend? You understand? And you just appear like a genie. Just call him name 3 times, you know. And him slide in, simple as that, 1, 2. You tell him what you want him to cook, and he tell you what you get, simple 1, 2. He teach you how to do it on spot. So you can make all your husband happy. If you couldn't cook from day 1, just link Chef Jabba or subscribe to his channel. You understand, for YouTube.
Oh, you test the island Jamaica for island.
You just see island Jamaica for island. Simple 1, 2, man. You just dash a pepper in it. You understand? I say this island Jamaica, you know. Put pepper in it and you see pepper start fry till it black. You understand? So don't be a child and put your hand in the fire. It will get burned. You understand? The boss are dashing the flour, you know, Jamaican style. You have to move your hand really quick so you don't burn you. Yes, just like that. Yeah, so we do it to people. We don't do it too fancy at Jamaica and you have to take a risk. You understand? I see a ton chef, you know, when the oil burn up on your hand too, you know, so well, you have to move a bit faster. You understand? We don't do pretty style, you know, we don't go for the knife and fork and then something. So we do it back at yard. Yard style, we don't put on everything one place, we search for things when we want to cook. You understand? I say we run boat. And that we there in the early morning, you know. Food look pretty, food smell nice. I imagine the ackee not going there yet. You understand? Imagine that. I'll a sizzle. Alright, so people, you know, so the ackee time, you know.
It's not scrambled egg, you see it, ackee and a scrambled egg.
Look, take a close up. Not egg. Not American. Straight Jamaican, you know?
Man, you must say Jamaican about 15 times, man.
Yeah, straight Jamaican food deal, you know, brother. And a Brazilian or Chinese, you know. You understand? And a European, you know, man. And an African, a Jamaican. Yeah, one nation, you know. Watch it, man. Jesus Christ. Good thing I blend in. Good thing I blend in, man. More ackee than saltfish. That's how we do it Jamaican style. Look how pretty. Black, green, and gold. And if you don't see the black, you see the black on the corner, right? So, see that black. You understand? Yeah. Look on it, man. Oh, God. What is? Smell that. People on a 5-minute cooking, you know. No. Jamaican people take time with them cooking, you know. Make sure say right, you know, because you don't say food, they fling off of people. So we do thing, you know, man. Food we give dog, you know, man, and dog we walk well if you a Jamaican dog, the normal line, and like foreign dog, you know, when you have anything, you know. You can put on certain food, a Jamaican dog face, and they know say food don't cook with it. Nah, eat it. I like me and tell Jabba, no say go. Yeah. Hey, Jamaican dogs, no normal, no, man. Feisty, you know. You understand? Yeah, sir. And more flour did I know, so people are just through the pot small, you know, but they don't say it have to work, you know. And you know, Jabba now get the food, not even now, you know, it tastes. Because it's so good, you know, man. And he just making the people, them, like, the food judge him, you know.
What is name?
What that name? That name Jamaican. You know what that name? Jamaican, and people nobody feel like a thing normal, you know. Because I feel like we cook flour without cornmeal, cornmeal in the flour. You get them and say simple one too. So nobody try them something when I ramp with them thing there, you know. Cornmeal must in the flour. Brother RJ the one there, but he can't there. So they're going to eat for him share. So RJ, know you're there, now big up yourself, you know, brother. You understand? I share a plate for you and then make you watch when I eat, you know. So you can know, say, yeah, it's hard to. That's how Jamaican thing on Jabba, you have to get too burnt to my time for half a while. Yeah, people like that, you know. Feel the people, text are right, you know. You understand? Thing well done, you know, watch it. Oh God, man. Watch it. See it pretty? Pretty on the outside, pretty on the inside. Watch it, feel it. Curve up all over. No, you're not burning me.
Man, we have to see a tasty thing, man.
Oh God, watch it. Hot, man. But see me fling it, you know, so yo. See me share, you know? You see it? Send a loud shout out to my brother Fabian at night, you know. You understand? Sing tired, you know? So I'm rest up. Still like a left in share still, you know?
You some more flour?
Yeah, man, more flour. I talk about. Why not put a film share alone, you know? You understand? Jamaican people love enough food, you know. Come and find and then share one spoon, and I say, no, babe, that can't work out. You understand? I put 2 more or 3 more. Jamaican food have to weigh at least 3 pounds. Only thing missing right now is some cocoa. You understand? The only thing missing right now.
Bush tea, man, I talk about.
No, cocoa I grew up on here. No, person. Every other day of the week, a bush tea, but on Sunday morning, Miss Laverne make her cocoa for her youth. Them. Nobody can tell me none of her, she gonna make her chocolate. You understand? Sunday day you get the best treatment, you know. Jamaican style. But every other day of the week, well, you will fight for you. Yeah. And if not on cook if not on Sunday daytime, everybody yard a gas done. Gas half it done on Sunday.
Exactly.
Gas not done no other day, but on a Sunday at Jamaica. Because what? Other day that everybody go all out. You smell everybody pot to cook on a Sunday daytime. Because we not do KFC on Sunday. And a full style like. No fast food on Sunday. You understand?
Officer, you know, so we are fuck, right? No.
Yeah, but that's what
See the people.
And a store bought, homemade. Yeah.
Definitely.